Various parts of Accra has been submerged following some hours of rain today, 22nd September 2023. While various parts of the city was being submerged underwater, the occupied Julobi House protesters defied the rain to carry on with their day 2 of the protest. And for those who may not know, they are protesting against the bad governance and the gargantuan corruption under Akufo-Addo's leadership. Back to the flats, like various other places, the Kaneshi market has been affected as well. Traders have to carry their wares out of the water and pray for mercy from God. And not surprising, the Odona River also flooded at Circle. This is the same river that Cecilia Dapa claimed she had used 45 or 40 something million to dredge. Yet, we all know where that money ended up, since millions of cedis as well as dollars was found in her house after she allegedly reported that her house helps had stolen money from her.
Come and see your mess. Oh! Oh, Ghana. Kandapa, come and see your mess. Bola Minister, come and see your mess. Come and see your mess. Oh, Ghana. Oh, it's not good.
Here is footage also of Kaneshi Malcolm, where the road has been submerged completely and vehicles are forced to park.
Accra. Oh, David. Accra, bani. Baby, I just said. Oh, and Nicola.
And also, the popular China Mall in Accra was not spared as water ran into the building and destroyed most of their wares in the mall. Here is another part of Kaneshi where many vehicles have been submerged in the water. The incidence of flooding in Accra happens every year for over a decade now. Almost 2 decades, there has been constant flooding, and the politicians do not know how to fix it. I guess they are too dumb. All they know is useless politicking about issues. And here is SCC Junction on the way to the West Hills Mall, also flooded.
All the way to the mall. Having a big truck, this is what you have to go through. The people of Ghana, this is what we are going through. The government agencies.
It seems no part of Accra was spared in today's rain, and that is a terrible experience for the people living around the areas that were affected. We will be bringing you more footage later. Until then, I'm TC Oceans, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.